How to clear cache on Battle.net. Are you guys pressing is to clear up your cache on Battle.net application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To clear up your cache on Battle.net application, first of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you will be able to see your profile icon. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, scroll down. You'll be able to see this option for settings. Just simply tap on settings. After you click on settings, just simply tap on device settings over here. After you click on device settings, you'll be forwarded to this interface where you can see multiple options available at this point. Just simply tap on storage. After you click on storage, you can see this option for clear storage and clear cache. You are looking to clear up your cache, right? Just simply tap on clear cache. After you click on clear cache, your cache will be instantly clear. So as you guys can see, the restore 5 storage of this clear cache over here. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to clear up your cache on Battle.net application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.